This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for August 5th, 2020. Corn up 2 3/4, beans down 1 3/4, Chicago wheat up 2 1/2, Minneapolis down 1/4, Kansas City up 4 1/4. So really kind of a mixed day, both sides of unchanged. Corn market able to at least recover a little bit, but realistically just not enough to really change much of the outlook here. The weaker tone in beans puts us right up against the key support level, and to finish the week we got a lot of importance as to how we do that. Then we're going to come in next week with a crop report on the 12th and really kind of set the stage there for where USDA is hinting at the yield side of things, and also demand, two very important sectors there that we're going to need to watch. Price counts right now in beans, we really don't have the direction yet, but if we would break down to the downside, 840 seems like the logical area we'd go down to. But we haven't made that correction or that trade yet. We are consolidating, so we should have a little more direction as we close out the last few days of this week. Corn, on the other hand, it seems like the path of least resistance is down to 307, 309 off the D's, possibly as far as around that 290 mark off the September, which would kind of translate to a 297 to 303 type level in D's. So kind of look at this low 3, high 2 number as the kind of key area for D's corn as to the path of least resistance, and we'll see what kind of evolves here over the days and weeks ahead, and see if USDA throws any curveballs along the way. Otherwise, weather semi-reasonable except for some dryness down in Iowa. When you're dealing in feeder cattle right now, up 10 on Friday, live cattle up 2 1/2. Hog market down 25, so again, mixed bag there. Cash undertones a little bit weaker than last week's highs that we've seen so far, but very light volume so far, more around this 101 type area on that live base. So we'll see that here come to fruition. Export sales tomorrow are going to be extremely important, but the cash undertones really going to set the direction as we hover between 102 or around that area off the front month live cattle. Hog market, just too much production around, not enough demand, and it continues to be the same old broken record story. But we sit here not breaking down, but also not able to rally around this $49 mark. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss. It is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.